Welcome to Succulents Network YouTube. Today we're going to talk about the Kalanchoe Tomentosa or Panda Plant. This is a very easy succulent species to care for and maintain. It is known for its furry and velvet-like leaves that looks like cat hair. It is native to Madagascar from the Kalanchoe genus, and it makes a nice addition to any succulent collections both indoor and outdoor. The Panda plant is a succulent type species that grows thick leaves for water storage purposes, which means watering it less often for the grower. These leaves are covered in tiny hairs that give the plant a velvety look and feel to it. When you first look at the Tomentosa, you can see that it can grow up to about 1.5 feet. It produces a thick stem that branches off into groups of leaves once it matures. When they are pruned well, they have kind of a tree-like bush look for them and can produce branches growing below pot level. Now, it's very suitable for growing in hanging baskets, for those of you that are looking for plants for that. The furry leaves I mentioned are gray-green in color that have brown spotted tips. These leaves are mainly oval-shaped, although you're likely to see a few random leaves grow in whatever shape and form they want to. Although this plant can flower within its natural habitat, it is rare to see flowers bloom indoor. So, it's grown primarily for its foliage within homes or offices. It is very rare to see a plant like this flower, but if you're lucky enough, you will see lovely small tubular-shaped flowers that bloom at the tip of the branches. Once the Panda plant matures, they look beautiful within a hanging basket or in a sitting conservatory. A conservatory is ideal because they do like bright light and also some sun. Whilst they are still small and growing, then near windows and so on can also help giving it enough light for you to display them. The ideal temperature for this plant is between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. This Kalanchoe, like many other succulent-loving plants, enjoy bright and light sunlight. A mixture of direct and indirect, and shade is a good balance of sunlight, if that can be provided. You should only water the succulent when the soil has become completely dry. Then soak the soil, but do not leave water in the bottom of the tray. Doing so will result in overwatering and kill the roots and eventually the plant. Now, it is important that you water less during winter because this succulent stores water within its leaves, so even if you forget to water during this period, it will be completely fine. Now, I would use a cacti and succulent potting mix, or mix your own well-draining succulent soil with part of sand in it so that this plant can grow easier. When repotting the Panda plant, it should happen only once every 2 years, and even less when it matures. You can fertilize this succulent once every 4 weeks with a diluted fertilizer. Make sure you only do so from spring until the end of summer. If you're worried about humidity, don't worry, a normal room humidity is fine, and it also tolerates dry air. When propagating this plant, leaf cutting can be taken off easily and created a new plant from. Give the leaf cutting a week of drying out before repotting. Then you can expect them to grow within the next 4 weeks. This plant is toxic to animals. So that means all of you animal lover out there, be careful where you place it so your little animals won't get to it. It is not cold hardy and it is summer dormant. Now, if you want to learn more about the plant, you can visit our website succulentsnetwork.com and find more information. Below in the description I have left links that are helpful for any succulent grower out there, so make sure you check them out and remember to subscribe to our channel. Now that's all. Bye!